Welcome to Maths class. This is in continuation to the previous two classes of logarithms. In this class also we learned some more questions from logarithms. For example, we have a question here. Simplify log 16 by 20 minus log 20 plus log 45. To do this problem, you please recall the log formulas. We know that log a into b is equal to log a plus log b, and log a minus b is equal to log a minus log b. So here we have one more question also here, one more formula like log a by b equal to log a minus log b, but instead of that you can treat this itself as a and this as b, and in between you have minus sign. So this is like log a minus log b. So more easily we can do like this. So I can straight away write this as log a by b, log 16 by 20 by 20. This is a and this is b, and plus log 45 as it is. Now if we simplify this, this is log 16 by 20 into 1 by 20 plus log 45. Now this is again like log a plus log b, which is equal to log a into b. So I can write this as log 16 by 20 into 1 by 20 into 45. So that the problem is now converted into a single logarithm, log n, where n is this entire number. And whatever simplification we can do, we can cancel here. For example, 4 4s are 4 5s are. Similarly, 5 1s are 5 9s are. Similarly, 4 1s are 4 5s are. So we remain with log 1 into 1 into 9, that is 9 only. Similarly, denominator 5. So log 9 by 5. This is like log n. So the simplified form of this problem is log 9 by 5. So we will see one more question like this. Look at this problem. Simplify log 72 plus log 56 minus log 36 minus log 24. Here also we can apply the log formulas. For example, look at these two, log 72 plus log 56. Straight away it is in the form of log a plus log b. So I can write this as log 72 into 56. Log a plus log b is equal to log a into b. Minus, you can take minus common here, so that I can write this also as log 36 plus log 24. So that it is also in the form of log a plus log b. And this is, just keep 72 into 56 as it is, minus here also log a plus log b, which is equal to log a into b, log 36 into 24. Now this is like log a minus log b, which we can write as log a by b, that is 72 into 56 divided by 36 into 24. We just need to simplify this. For example, 24 1s are 24 3s are. 3 1s are 3 12s are. Similarly, 4 14s are 4 3s are. So that we left with a simplified form of log 14 by 3. So the simplified form of log 72 plus log 56 minus log 36 minus log 24 is equal to log 14 by 3. Look at one more example. Express as log n 2 log 3 minus 3 log 4 plus 7 log 2. This also we have to express as a single logarithm. So here this is like m log a. We have one formula we learned, log a power m is equal to m log a. So each of the term is like m log a here. So you can straight away apply that. So this is log 3 square. The first step is log 3 square minus log 4 cube plus log 2 to the power 7. So nothing, what happened here is this 2 is now becoming the exponent of the number. 2 become 3 square, this 3 become 4 cube, and this 7 become 2 power 7. Now again This problem is again same as the previous examples. Log 3 square is nothing but log 9, and log 4 cube is nothing but 64, and log 2 power 7 is 128. 2 into 2 into 2 7 times will give you the product as 128. Now this is like log a minus log b, which we can write as log a by b, 9 by 64, plus log 128. Now this is like again log a plus log b, so that I can apply log a into b formula, that is 9 by 64 into 128, and 64 can be, we can easily cancel 128 with 64, 64 twos are, so that 9 into 2 is 18, so the simplified form is log 18. If you compare this with log n, then n is 18. Let's see one more example. These type of questions are very important from the exam point of view. For example, if x square plus y square is equal to 27xy, then prove that 2 log x minus y equals to 2 log 5 plus log x plus log y. So in the given expression here, we have x square plus y square is equal to 27xy. Observe carefully this term 2 log 5 and also this term 2 log x minus y. If you see this 2 log x minus y, this is something like m log a. So if I convert this 2 as a power, it becomes log x minus y whole square. Remember that x minus y whole square is x square plus y square minus 2xy. That's the formula for x minus y whole square. So logically, we have to bring that formula here. So x square plus y square is already here. So the missing term here is minus 2xy. So if I bring that minus 2xy here, then I can write this as x minus y whole square. This is the logical way of thinking. So now what I do is, so I'll add minus 2xy on both sides. Then this expression becomes like this: x square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to 27xy minus 2xy. So I am subtracting minus 2xy from both sides, which is same as adding minus 2xy on both sides. Now this is like a formula: x plus y whole square, x minus y whole square. Sorry, this is x minus y whole square is equal to 27xy minus 2xy is equal to 25xy. So we got this kind of expression: x minus y whole square is equal to 25xy. Now here we have to introduce the logarithms, right? Because our required to prove is in terms of logs, so I have to apply logs on both sides here. Okay, it now changes like this. Log x minus y whole square is equal to log 25xy. When we apply log on both sides, this expression will change to log x minus y whole square minus log 25xy. Now apply the log formulas here. This is like log a power m, which is equal to m log a. So therefore this is 2 log x minus y. Okay. Now this is like log a, b, c. There is a product 25 into x into y, which converted into addition. So we can apply this like log 25 plus log x plus log y. And next is only thing that we can write 25 as phi square. So that this is 2 log x minus y is equal to log phi square plus log x plus log y. In the next step it changes to log x minus 2 log x minus y equal to, this become 2 log phi plus log x plus log y, which is our result. Hence proved. So after understanding these examples, now you try these two problems on your own. Please make a note and try on your own.